Hi guys, so I'm about to leave for Arizona again to see my puppy Tikva for the first time since I rescued her a month ago, and I couldn't be more excited. This is Tikva's first time swimming and her first time hiking without a leash, and she's loving it. Hi!
Just that weird awkward walk and high five.
Picking up some dumplings. Chef Brenna. Cap Chef. Thanks for the dinner, Bren. She's ready to go hiking. Tikva, try it! She's like, oh, I'm okay now. It's alright.
Well, okay.
What's she doing? What's she doing? So I can barely even like put my arms down because I'm so bundled up because it's quite cold here in Flagstaff, Arizona. But we are about to take Tikva on her first snow hike and we're super excited. And then later we're gonna be camping in Sedona because it is like 40-ish degrees in Sedona at night, whereas it's still in the 20s here at night, and that would be miserable. We dressed way warmer than we needed to, and we're all sweating already. Wishing I left this fuzzy one behind. Can't get him. Exactly so. It's not right. It's not right. Am I the only one who sees us fight? What I do, who I am, who sets us past us and deserves to pay. Well, it's the numbers, it's the numbers. What a hip. hippopotamus for Christmas.
Tree.
Only a hippopotamus will do. Oh, Tifa. Oh my god, they flashed off? What? Oh. It's because they're light sensor. That's really cool.
Because they only turn on during sunset.
How's the snow in there?
I don't like the snow.
It's a double layer cocoon.
You need to.
Oh.
Please. We need your help. Your worm. Your worm. You are a worm. Oh, an arm appeared. The craziest thing just happened. So I told you guys about these girls that we met at Cathedral Rock in Sedona last road trip and how they were like, oh, I swear I know you. This feels like deja vu. So we're in Sedona a month later right now. And we are at this bakery and we're about to leave. And look who's walking into the bakery, but one of those girls that we saw at Cathedral Rock. And we're like, what? No way. Like, she's never in Sedona and we're never in Sedona. And it was just a crazy coincidence again, like fate pushing her back into our lives. We just got to our first Sedona hike. And it looks like this really cool bridge is going to be part of the view. And I'm super excited. Teekva's pretty excited too. Right, Teeks? We're out here in the creeks of Sedona. We took that way all the way down below the bridge. Although we can't really even see the bridge for where we are. But it is beautiful. It still feels a little like fall down here. Second Sedona hike for the day. We're at Broken Arrow. And Teekva is getting tired. She's gonna sleep well today. Twin butts.
Wow, look at those twin.
There it is. There's the butt. Turn
I've seen Deepa.
I'm going to need you to do your rooster. Do your rooster. Brenna! Do the rooster. That's not a rooster. Brenna! Do your rooster. Those are the twin butts.
Let's watch for some behaviours. Oh, there he is. He smelled something. Oh, he's posturing. This is a form of peacocking, but the desert form of it. Oh, the switch means she's looking. He's trying to get her to come on up the rocks. Oh, she must be excited.